Dear Bianca, lagi akong naghahanap ng chance para ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka ka-special. Finally, I got the chance to express myself through a letter. I always say that entering PBB is very unexpected for me, but I didn't expect that a person would make it cherishable. Binigyan mo ako ng bagong idea from the moment I first saw you coming from the garden area. Kami slow mo eh. Kasi sobrang confident mo, sobrang cute mo, sobrang ganda. Tsaka may ingay. You just came out of nowhere. But from that day, I never did not admire you. And it grew more and more each day. Nagiginig ka na eh. It just feels different getting to know you. Not just because you are my opposite, but also for giving me a new perspective in different aspects. Ang dami kong natututunan sa'yo. And I really can't deny that you made me a better person. Hearing your stories opened me to a lot of things. From your career, to your love to people, especially for your family. That made me love mine even more. You really have a great heart, Bianca. And naalala ko nung pinahiram mo lahat ng damit mo sa mga girls, na ni isang damit wala nang natira sa'yo. Diba? Sino yung mga si Ralph, si AZ, pinahiram niya lahat ng damit niya kay Ralph and kay Ralph. Yun. Haba. Kaya, piram ka na lang sa akin. Yun! Feeling ko, para-paraan mo lang. Ayun. Kahit ilang problemang dumating sa nasabay-sabay, kinakaya mo. You are a fighter. One thing I also admire about you is your personality. I remember telling River na you really give... Ano to? Nalago na kasi pencil eh. You really give light inside this house. Lagi mo kaming pinapatawa, pinapasaya, at gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi lagi niyang dinadoubt yung sarili niya. Hindi ko alam kung alam niyo o... Basa lang, basa. Sorry.
Walang side chika, basa na. Dire-diretso.
Ano ba ako?
Para.
Naka-pencil kasi, malabo na.
Labo. Gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Sa bawat task na lahat ay magaling ka. Hanggat sa pagiging matapang at andyan ka para sa lahat. Hinahangaan kita kung sino ka at paano mo pinakita na kakayanin mo ang lahat. I'm very proud of you, Duo. You made it this far. You fought through serious battles. You showed how to be strong and not to give up. Never doubt yourself because you are unique and different in your own way. You are beautiful just the way you are. Meron ba?
Basa na.
Sabi, double time na.
Basa na.
I want to end my first letter to you by saying I am beyond grateful that you came into my life. Trust me with all of my promises. I'm here to take care, protect, and make you the happiest. I can't wait for what's for us outside. I can't wait to create more memories and dreams with you, Bianca. I'll still be your duo outside at hindi ako magsasawa. Yours truly, Dusty.